Hi guys, Rob from Icebox Auto here today. We're just going to show you today's install, which is on a Mmi box on a Volvo V60. As you can see, it's already set up to the customer's phone, which is on wireless CarPlay, but also it's got Android Auto 2 on there, and also got the YouTube app, and it's got features to link a rear camera up and a DVR camera if you must. But as you can see, if you just scroll down on the video here, you can see this is how you navigate through your system. And as you can see, it's nice and swift, responsive. It's got all the customers' apps on there, Sidjik, the music apps, Google Maps. Also got a few other apps that's brought through from the phone, which is WhatsApp and BBC Sounds and stuff. But just gonna pre-warn you, it won't be showing any video formats like YouTube and Netflix, so don't expect it to show that. It's only like music app, maps and text messages, stuff like that. So also I'll just show you, if we hold down the media button here down below, it takes you back into the original Volvo screen. Also these play in through the auxiliary of the car, so obviously it has to be switched over to there, and the car must have auxiliary. So if you want to just go back to that there, we just hold down the media button and then it just goes through to the CarPlay. So I'm just going to keep it short today guys, just because the customer's got to go. If you got any questions, just get in touch with us with the contact details down in the description, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks very much, I'll see you soon. Thank you.